teaching you how to do the double crochet stitch today. I'm Habiba from Craftify My Love, and my friend Gloria asked me to teach her how to crochet, and I thought I will put this little series together. So we have tackled quite a few things. If you're new here, you might want to start at the beginning. Check out the playlist. I will link to it in the info section below. And if you have followed along so far, you know that we are doing the double crochet stitch today. So if we were to start with a row of chains, we would place our first double crochet into the fourth chain from the hook. So that will be 1, 2, 3, that would be here. But as we are not working from the very beginning, we already did 2 rows of single crochet and 1 row of half double crochets. We will now have to chain 3. Now, whenever you turn your work, when you're ready to, when you finished a row and ready to turn your work doing the double crochet, you will need to chain 3 to gain the height necessary for the double crochet. So this is chain 3. Now can you see that this is the first chain, the second, the third? So we are going to place our stitch right here. Let's mark this real quick. Let's turn our work, because this is where I had the most difficulties in the beginning. I didn't know where to place my hook for the first stitch of a row. Okay, so the double crochet requires you to yarn over, and then, now we marked it, we know where to go, let's get rid of that, and push through and under the V. Remember, usually we work under both strands of the V. Sometimes the pattern requires different, but if there's nothing mentioned in a pattern, you will go under both loops. And then we will yarn over. This way, now we have three loops on our crocheting hook. We will yarn over and we will pull through 2 of them. This leaves us with 2 loops on the hook. We will yarn over again and we will pull through the remaining 2 loops. And this is a double crochet. Let's do it one more time. We yarn over, we push through our work, yarn over again, we yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. I will finish this row while you are watching, and I will tell you a little bit about me. I am Habiba. I love to craft and to DIY, so you won't be finding only crocheting tutorials in my channel, but other stuff. I can't focus on just one thing. I enjoy too many techniques and projects, and I want to be creating new stuff all the time. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. That will be awesome. Also, if you push the little notification bell, you will get a little info whenever I publish something new, and I would love it for you to stop by and see if you'd like to join me on another craft or DIY project. Also, if you need other tutorials on how to crochet or other things, don't be shy and reach out to me, and I will give my best to do a video pretty quickly. This video I made for my friend Gloria. Oops, now see. Talking and crocheting can lead to mistakes, but that's no problem. You can simply unmake it. This crocheting series started out because my friend Gloria from London, UK asked me if I can teach her how to crochet. And I love teaching people stuff. Okay, whoops, the last double crochet of this row. And then we're done. Keep on watching for the treble crochet stitch.